Yo, it's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. So today we have Alamat, man, and they uploaded a new song, man. They released a new song titled is Sinigang. This is the official music video, man. Woo! Parang masarap na sinigang ngayon, no? Tagulan, but yeah, I'm really excited, man. A new Alamat song. Well, let's see, man. Anong meaning na sa sinigang, man? Oh, gutom ba tayo dito? Well, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, mukhang magugutom nga tayo dito. Sinigang.
G! 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 Isang order ng sinigang, tol.
Isang order na sinigang, tol. Lutang ka na naman. Lutang ka na naman. Pila-pila na yung tao sa labas.
Sinigang, tol.
Nade-daydream si, RG. Oh.
Paano ba to? Ba't hindi ka mawala sa aking isipan?
What the fuck? Well, di ko ina-expect yung vibe ng kanta. Ba't parang ano tayo dito, no? Boys to Men. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganito yung vibe nung kanta. Man.
Paano ba to? Ba't hindi ka mawala sa aking isipan? Puso na ikaw lang ang laman. Oh, wag mo akong hahayaang mahulog mag-isa. Paano na yung tayong dalawa? Yeah. Could I get a little piece of your heart? Can't go a day without thinking about you. And what we could have been kung hindi piniling bitawan ang lahat ng atin. Baby.
Ang ganda ng no? Ganda nung parang dating ng music video nila kasi I guess si RG, no? Si G and itong babae, sila yung parang main subject ng music video, no? And everyone around them is singing, pero nakikita mo sila at the back, you know? You still see what is happening. Like yung pagkasama nila, I guess this is before na parang, you know, ano pa sila, sweet, no? But at the same time, may kita natin yung singer singing the lyrics, no? But at the same time as well, we're seeing them at the background. And ang ganda ng pagkakaano kasi parang nilagay sila as mga tao surrounding nung subject na yun. Diba? Tulad na ito. Parang di ba kasi makabisado mga pangalan nila? Diba? Katulad niya. Diba? Nagbabantay sila sa karinderya, but we can see at the mirror, yung dalawa. Siya naman, nagde-delay siya ng halaman, but we can still see them at the background. Sobrang ganda lang, no? We have to appreciate the shots in here, the direction ng music video. Vocals, man.
Mahulog mag-isa, paano na yung tayong dalawa? Ipas man ang panahon na hindi man lang magkataon na magkita kahit na ganon, ay ikaw pa rin nakabaon sa isipan at sa puso, sabi ng awiting to.
Hey.
Ako pa rin kaya nilalaman ng iyong sayo. Tawa ng katagalan, di ka mawala.
Oh, this song is smooth, man. Shit. I'm actually slowly getting goosebumps, no? Every time that we are entering the chorus while they're na gumigiling sila, no? We're also slowly, no, like getting goosebumps. Hey.
Di ka mawala sa aking isipan at puso na ikaw lang ang laman. Oh, wag mo akong hahayaang mahulog mag-isa. Panunayong tayong dalawa.
Hey.
Di ka akin sa pahinang to. Ako'y di mananawang maghanap sa'yo. At kung matagpuan ka man, hindi ka na masasaktan. Alam mo, ikaw ang tanging sigaw, palaging ikaw. Ano ba to? Ba't hindi ka mawala sa aking isip?
That's a great shot, man. Them dancing at the background. Well, yeah, Ate Jane Sinigang. Hey.
Hindi ka mawala sa aking isipan at puso na ikaw lang ang laman. Wag mo akong halayaan mahulog mag-isa.
Oh, the harmonization at the background. God damn.
Wag mo akong halayaan mahulog mag-isa. Panunayong tayong dalawa.
Let's go, man. There you go. What happened? Ayun na po. Ang dami naman ng order na yan. I mean, I cannot believe, man. Nasa karinderya, ganyan karami ang order. Ilang order yan? 5 na ata yan. 5 order ata ng sinigang yan. Oh, pinaupo siya. Oh, I guess they're okay again. All right. Wait. What's the meaning of sinigang? What? Okay, that is Alamat, man. That song is just smoothie, man. But I just realized, hindi ko pa alam yung meaning ng sinigang, no? Hindi ko alam yung meaning nila ng sinigang. Ay, hindi ko actually nakuha yung ano nila. Sinigang? Sinigang? I mean, are they talking about yung warmth ng sinigang? The feeling of I don't even know. I don't know how to connect it. Aside sa music video na sa sinigang at tapos siya sa sinigang. But all in all, I mean, I'm just gonna rely on you guys on the comment, of course, no? Sa mga gatong bagay na hindi natin makuha agad. I'm just waiting. I'm just gonna wait on your comments, guys. But the song itself, man, is a smoothie, man. That is like a Boys to Men type shit, man. I love that. I love that. Well, shit. That is our reaction for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That's a banger. Alamat is just so underrated. That's a banger. Well, see you in the next vid. Stay awesome and peace.